today I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go. Hi, welcome back on my YouTube channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm French, I live in Spain and I have my own business now called margavaluxpro where I sell you luxury bags and accessories. I'm super excited because it's growing so fast now. Just to remember, I had this English YouTube channel for a year now, so I'm very excited. Thank you so much for joining. Don't hesitate to subscribe. And I have also my French YouTube channel for 3 years now. If you speak French and you want to hear some French, you can go check there. But I'm really excited for this journey that's been like incredible so far. We ship worldwide, like internationally, we ship everywhere. We already shipped a lot to the US, to the UK, Australia, France, Spain, Denmark, Germany, Belgium, Switzerland, and any other country. So we ship everywhere. And to explain you a little bit, like very quick, we do a bag drop day. Like every Wednesday, we drop new luxury bags and accessories on the website. You receive the email if you subscribe to the newsletter at 6 p.m. Paris time. I will add on the screen the New York City time, UK time, and whatever. And this video released at 6:30 p.m. So be fast if you want something because it's probably already gone. If you subscribe to the newsletter, you have access before everyone else. We are going to start with the first bag I want to show you. The first bag I want to show you right now is this amazing Lady Dior. Look at this, beautiful. Every links will be in description below. You can click and you will arrive on the website. So this one is a medium size. This is a metallic one. You have a silver hardware. This is amazing. Like this bag is gorgeous. So you can see like the base of the bag, a very good condition, very few scratches. Otherwise, the bag is such in a good condition. I'm impressed. Even the corners, guys, are amazing. Like I'm just having a look again, but these are gorgeous. The handles also are quite good, like very good, I would say even. It's amazing, like it's amazing. So guys, for this amazing baby, we had the strap. We also had the authenticity card. Oh, it comes from New York. I'm shocked. And the papers. I'm gonna put them here, but otherwise we had the strap. I'm gonna attach it right now. This is actually gorgeous. I love this cute little bag. Very, very good condition for this one. I'm just so impressed. Okay, now I'm gonna try to show you the inside, which is not so easy because here you have the zipper part and inside is like black leather. Very good condition, like no stain. It's beautiful. You have the zipper pocket here, same. Very good inside, some few scratches on the inside, but otherwise very, very, very good condition for this amazing babe. This one is 1,900 euro. This is so low for this type of bag, this type of shape, and this condition, guys. So go on the website, go grab it. It's right now the perfect time. Okay, guys, now we have a Chanel box. We're gonna unbox this together. Ta-da! We have a beautiful wallet, pink caviar, amazing. Beautiful one. Like you have the authenticity card for this one, so I'm quite excited. I'm gonna put the box just here, and this is like a vintage caviar pink leather, beautiful one. As you can see, you had the little Chanel thing. You have like a small pocket here on this part. Here it's like stained a little bit, like it's discolored, and this part is here. Like the pressing buttons works fine, and here you have like little space, I would say, and here. So here we have like the serial code just here. It starts with a 4 and the last digit is you cannot see it properly, it's not clear. Made in France. You also have like another zipper pocket just here. It's very, very cute. I love it actually. Like it's a very small SLG. As you can see, it's very, very vintage. And concerning the price for this baby, it's 329 euro. Very good condition. Okay, now I'll go for another bag. So this one is the Prada nylon bag. This time we have a red one. We used to have a yellow, a black, and a blue one, like two blue actually, dark blue and blue, like royal blue. This time we have a red one. I'm really excited about this one. Very cute, very Christmas vibe, I would say. It's so easy to wear. It's amazing. I love it. And the condition of this one is quite good. Like I would say the condition is good on this one because you have some signs of wear. It's like usually it's more like darker on the here. You have like some darker spot here, like it's some trace, but it's nothing that huge. Otherwise, condition is quite good on the strap. I have nothing to say. Also, the inside looks actually gorgeous. Like very good inside. You have the plaque here. And for the price for this one is 455 euro. Such a good price, guys. Like very, very good price for this little Prada bag. Next item I want to show you is this huge wallet from Louis Vuitton in Monogram canvas. Outside looks pretty good. You have like a little white stain here on the front, but otherwise we don't have like so many like damage on the outside. I would say it's quite in a good condition. You have some scratch on the pressure button. It works very good. And here it is. We have the inside, very good, some few marks, but otherwise super easy like to use. You have so many pockets. It's amazing. And we have on this side like the banknote situation. It's damaged a little bit. You have some, I don't know what it is, but it has some discoloration or stains, but otherwise it's not damaged. We have after the part where you can fit your coins, it's huge. Like it's very big. You have two different pockets, and the price for this one is quite low. It's 179 euro. It's a gift, like it's perfect. We are going to continue with Louis Vuitton Monogram canvas, of course, because I know you love it and I know I love it. We have an Alma PM size. Good condition for this one. This is not the perfect condition. What can I say? We have some trace of wear. We have the leather parts starts to tarnish a bit. You see like some it's not tarnished like the same way everywhere. I think it was like it was put apart like differently. Otherwise base is quite good actually. You don't have like so much stains. You don't have lots of signs of wear. This is actually good. Like the stain is very good. The base is very good. Like you have some corner rubbed a little bit, but otherwise very good. What can I say about this one? It has lost a bit its shape, but that's nothing too big. Inside of it is actually very good. No stain. Like very, very, very good. You have the pocket here. It's gorgeous. Like I have to say, this bag, I love it. And the price for this one, I'm going to give you right now, it's 390 euro. So it's actually super, super, super good for the price. Go get it. And another item I have, it's a very cute one. It's from Celine. We had the box. And here it is. Look at this cutie. I'm so excited. Like I'm gonna put this here. It's a vintage mini pouch from Celine in Triomphe canvas. Look at this, it's so tiny but so cute. Like it's in very, very, very good condition. I'll try to show you the inside of it. I don't know if it will appear correctly on the screen, but it's so freaking cute. I love it. The inside is leather and the outside is very good. And the price for this one is 160 euro. You can fit coins, you can fit a lipstick, you can fit quite a few things inside, nothing big, of course, but it's very useful. Well, this is all for today's backdrop. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. You have everything down below. We ship worldwide. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. I'd be very happy to reply. And I will see you again on this Sunday for another video. Thank you. Bye.